Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Moving Things and Measurement, Chapter 10, Class 6 in Science book. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. First, multiple choice question. First, क्रिकेट बॉल शोज आंसर आपका होगा लीनियर एंड स्पिन मोशन. सेकेंड, अ बटरफ्लाई flying along the flower shows random motion. 3. Motions of the earth shows all of these. All of three types. All of three types होगा इसमें. 4. Which is not an example of a periodic motion. आंसर होगा buzzing bee. 5. Which of the following is the smallest unit of length? आंसर आपका होगा b millimeter. B question, fill in the blanks. First, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Second, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 3, 100 centimeter is 1 meter. 4, 1000 millimeter is 1 meter. 5, 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. C. Name the kind of motion. First, falling apple from a tree, linear motion. Second, streaker in the game on a carom board, linear motion. 3. Spinning top, rotation motion. 4. Earth moving on its axis, rotation motion. 5. Earth going around the sun, orbital or revolutionary. ऑर्बिटल और रेवोल्यूटरी. ओके, उसके बाद आपका है 6 है स्विंगिंग पेंडुलम ऑफ ए क्लॉक. आंसर होगा ऑस्किलेटरी मोशन. 7. मोशन ऑफ द नीडल ऑफ ए सीविंग मशीन, ऑस्किलेटरी मोशन. फिर 8 हार्ट बीट, पीरियोडिक मोशन. 9 अ चाइल्ड ऑन ए मेरी गो राउंड, सर्कुलर मोशन. ओके, फिर 10 आपका होगा प्लग्ड स्ट्रिंग ऑफ सितार, वाइब्रेटरी मोशन. ओके, उसके बाद आपका 11 earthquake, वाइब्रेटरी मोशन. 12 a buzzing bee, random motion. 13 monkey performing antics on a tree, linear motion. 14 motion of the axle of a fan, rotational motion. 15 motion of the moon going around the earth. आंसर आपका होगा ऑर्बिटल मोशन. ओके, कंफ्यूजन नहीं करना, इसमें आपका होगा ऑर्बिटल मोशन या फिर आप रोटेशन मोशन भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, फिर 16 मोशन ऑफ द ब्लेड्स ऑफ ए मूविंग फैन, rotational motion. 17 motion of a bird flying in the air, linear motion. 18 a ball throw up in the air, horizontal and linear motion. 19 a butter fired from a gun, projectile motion. 12 a screw being pushed into the wood with a screwdriver, rectilinear motion. 21 flying motion of a sparrow, curvilinear motion. 22 motion of the hands of a clock showing time, circular motion. 23 resulting motion of a rotating wheel of a bicycle, rolling motion. ओके, आई होप दैट कि आप लोग समझे होंगे ये इसका आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट, उसके बाद आपका आता है डी. गिव द प्रीफिक्स फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वैल्यूज. फर्स्ट 1/100, 1000, इसका हो जाएगा आपका द प्रीफिक्स फॉर 1/1000 इज माइल. एग्जाम्पल मिलीमीटर, मिलीग्राम. ओके, कंफ्यूजन नहीं करना है. एग्जाम्पल मिलीमीटर, मिलीग्राम. सेकेंड 1/100 hundredth. The prefix for 1 by 100 is centi. Example centimeter, centigram. फिर आपका 3000 टाइम्स. The prefix for thousand times is kilo. Example kilometer, kilogram. 3 आपका होगा 1000 मीटर. ओ सॉरी, ये तो आपका क्लियर हो गया 3 तक. उसके बाद है फिर ई क्वेश्चन आपका. गिव द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ द शॉर्ट फॉर्म for 100 by 1000 of meter. F.F millimeters, S.F millimeters. ओके. उसके बाद है सेकेंड आपका 1 बाई 100th ऑफ मीटर. F.F सेंटीमीटर, S.F आपका सेंटीमीटर. F.F मतलब आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं करना, इसका मतलब हो गया फुल फॉर्म. सेंटीमीटर, शॉर्ट फॉर्म सेंटीमीटर. ओके. फुल फॉर्म मिलीमीटर, शॉर्ट फॉर्म मिलीमीटर. फिर 1000 फुल फॉर्म आपका किलोमीटर, शॉर्ट फॉर्म किलोमीटर. ओके. आई हैव डन सब क्वेश्चन इन बुक. आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन आंसर in notebook. Tenth, chapter 10th, moving things and measurement. Short answer tab question. First, explain why a cubit is a non-standard unit of measuring length. Answer आपका होगा a cubit is the considered a non-standard unit of measuring length because its length varies from person to person as it is based on the distance from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. Second, write a symbol used to denote standard unit of measurement. Answer आपका होगा there is not a single universal symbol used to denote standard unit of measurement. Instead, each specific standard unit has its own symbol. Example, m for meter, kg for kilogram. Third question, why should we have standard unit of measurement? Answer आपका होगा we should have standard unit of measurement to ensure consistency, accuracy and universality in measurement. Fourth question, name the SI unit of length. Answer the SI unit of length is the meter. Okay. 5, how do we say that a body is in motion? Answer आपका होगा a body is said to be in motion of its position changes with respect to a reference point over time. 6, how is motion related to time? Answer, motion is intrinsically related to time because it describes the change in position of an object over a period of time. 7, does the pendulum of a clock show oscillatory motion as a periodic motion? Answer, motion of the pendulum clock is oscillatory as well as periodic. 8, name some periodic motion related to circulatory motion. Answer आपका होगा examples of circulator periodic motion. 1, fan blades moving at a constant speed to tip of the minute hand of a clock. 9, is the tree that all of us on the earth are always at rest with respect to each other but moving all the time with respect to the sun and the moon? Answer, yes, it's true that all of us on the earth are always at rest with respect to each other but moving all the time with respect to the sun and the moon. G. Long answer type questions. First, what is meant by standard unit of measurement? Answer: a standard unit of measurement is a fixed and universally accepted quantity used as a reference for measuring other quantities of the same time. 2. How did people measure short distance in ancient times? Name a few non-standard unit of measuring distance used by these people. Answer: in ancient times, people measured short distance using various non-standard units based on parts of the human body or common objects. Some examples include handspan, cubit, foot, pace. 3. What are the two common mistakes which are generally made while measuring length of block of wood with a wooden meter scale? Answer: two common mistakes made while measuring the length of a block of wood with a wooden meter scale are: incorrect eye position, parallax error. Second, incorrect 0 point alignment. 4. What precautions should be taken while recording a reading on a measuring scale? Answer: precaution to be taken while recording a reading on a measuring scale include: first, proper eye position, correct alignment, avoid loose fittings, clean scale, read carefully. 5. How do we measure the length of a curved line? Answer: the length of a curved line can be measured using various methods depending on the precision required and the nature of the curve. Using a thread or string, using a measuring tape, using a rotameter or a piezometer. Calculus for mathematical curves. 6. What do you understand by rest and motion? Answer: rest an object is said to be at rest if its position does not change with respect to a reference point over a period of time. Motion: an object is said to be in motion if its position changes with respect to a reference point over a period of time. 7. What is the similarity and difference between a linear and curvilinear motion? Answer: similarity. Both linear and curvilinear motion involve a change in the position of an object over time. Difference: linear motion, the object moves along a straight path. Curvilinear motion, the object moves along a curved path and its direction of velocity continuously changes. What is the resultant motion? Explain. Give an example of a rotating bicycle wheel. Answer: resultant motion, the combined effect of two or more individuals' motion acting on an object. An example of a rotating bicycle wheel: a point on the rim of a rotating bicycle wheel experiences two types of motion simultaneously. Type of motion simultaneously: rotational motion, translation motion, resultant motion. 9. Justify that a screw shows motion at the same time when it is pushed through a piece of wood with the help of a screwdriver. Answer: when a screw is pushed through wood with a screwdriver, it exhibits two motions concurrently. Rotational motion: the screw rotates around its own axis as the screwdriver turns it. Translation motion: as a screw rotates, its helical threads interact with the wood, causing it to move forward depending on the direction of rotation along its axis. Therefore, the screw undergoes both rotational motion and translation motion simultaneously. Okay, student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz. Bye.